Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can accept friend requests and add cross-platform friends in College Football 27. It's pretty easy, but before you do anything, you need to make sure that in settings, if you go to game settings, the crossplay option should be turned on. If you're playing the game on Xbox, then you will need to check crossplay option in the system level as well. Once you're sure about crossplay, the next thing you need to do is to press the touchpad of your PS5 controller and hit the back key on your Xbox controller. Then you will see EA Connect window. Right here you need to go to friend request tab. Here you will able to see all of your requests you have got. You can simply accept the friend request and friends will be added here in the friends list. If you want to add someone, then in that case you need to go to player search. Right here you can see this is my EA ID. So you should also have the EA ID of your friend whom you would like to add on your college football. Like just enter the EA ID of your friend, and once you do that, you will able to see his ID right here. So just simply select the option add friend. The friend request will be sent to him. You will able to see that request right here. Whenever he accepts, he'll be added here in the friends list as well. So this is the process you need to follow to accept friend requests or add cross-platform friends in your college football 27. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.